क्या आप भी मेरी तरह बोर हो रहे हो और सामने वैलेंटाइंस डे हो और आपके मन में कोई लुक नहीं हो? तो मेरे पास एक आइडिया है। उसके लिए सबसे पहले तो है जो आपको ये लेज़ी सा जो शक्ल है उसको आपको चेंज कर लेना है और कुछ इस तरह से फ्रेशन अप हो जाना है। And then I'm just gonna tone my face, and for that I'm using this aloe vera toner, and please ignore my overactings and these funny faces. Anyway, then for the moisturization I'm using this nutriderm moisturizer. Along with that I'm just gonna mix 2 to 3 drops of essential oil. This is by Good Vibes. And ladies, this is Valentine's Day. You definitely need to glow, right? And for that reason, I'm using this strobing cream by Maybelline, and I'm just gonna apply this onto the highest points of my face and then gonna blend it with the beauty blender. And I want my makeup to be matte today, and hence I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation. This is the oldest foundation that I have, and I'm just gonna dot it around my face like this and then blending it with the beauty blender. For the concealer, I have nothing new. I'm just going to use the regular duo that I use, but the technique that I'm going to use today is a little different because I'm not going to apply both of the concealer separately. Instead, I'm using them together. And once I'm done blending the concealer, I'm directly moving on to the contour, and for that I'm using this Wet n Wild contour palette. You can use whatever palette you have for contouring, and I'm applying this powder to the area where I need a little bit of shadows. And yeah, and then for the blush I'm using this Maybelline Color Show blush. This is also the oldest blush that I have, and this works really nicely. This color is really natural and looks really good on the skin, so I love to use it. And I'm also applying it to the nose. This gives a really good flush of color, and to set the base I'm using this setting spray by NYX. These steps are pretty much same that I always do. Now for the eye look, I have decided to wear like a rose gold sort of a soft cut crease look. For that I'm taking this soft pink color and applying it to the crease line for the transition effect, and then taking this mauvey sort of a purplish pink shadow, if that makes sense, with a smaller blending brush and applying this just below the color that I've already applied, and then blending it really nicely, and then taking this deep pink color and applying this to this area so that the transition looks really nice, like I'm coming downwards and not upwards this time. And yeah, then I'm taking this shadow from Wet n Wild and applying it to the outer corner for that depth. Now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow and blending out any harsh edges, and then with a smaller blending brush I'm taking that mauvey sort of a color and applying it to the lower lash line and also connecting it to the upper lash line. And then in a flat shadow brush like this I'm taking the concealer and cutting my crease, as you can see, and then with my pinky finger I'm just going to blend the concealer with the shadow. Then I'm taking this shimmery eyeshadow palette. This one is by Europe Girl, and from that I'm using this rose gold eyeshadow with the help of my finger because this type of eyeshadow works better with a finger. And yeah, I'm applying that onto the area where I've applied concealer, and to deepening up the crease, to deepening up the outer corner I'm using this shadow and blending the two colors together so that it looks seamless. And for my eyeliner today, I am drawing a very thin liner with the help of this Lakme eyeliner, and this is what it looks like. And to complete the eye makeup, I'm using this nude eye pencil. This one is by Oriflame, and then I'm just going to coat my eyelashes with my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I have lost some of the clips, so here I'm with a red lipstick, false lashes, and also I've done my eyebrows. And for the hairs I've just straightened them, but if you want you can do any sort of hairstyle that you would like. And for the final glow I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate and highlighting my usual places that needs to be highlighted. And yeah, that would be pretty much it. I'm pairing this these red earrings with my dress, which goes perfectly, and this is an optional step. If you want, you can skip it, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlighter to my collarbones and also to my shoulder. And yeah, you're done. And here is the final look, guys. I hope you guys liked it. If you really did, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a very big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment down below. And wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day in advance.